Blessing and Glenn Rose. Wow! May tapos pa yan. Alright, and of course, to complete our entrance for today, we have our beautiful maid of honor, Marty Jeff! And our next contestant, we have Jason!
Ganda.
Ayan. Nag-aayos si Ted. Thank you so much po. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating entrance. Ayan. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, at this point I assume that everyone has settled down and we are all excited to meet our couple for the third time. Third time na. Ika-third time na. But still, our excitement never changes. Alright, so today comes for grand celebration, and it is my great pleasure to introduce you for the very first time, Jamal and Janice as husband and wife. May I request everyone to please stand? Tumayo po tayong lahat, and let's give our warmest welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Jamal and Janice Bamayan. Our beautiful and handsome groom and bride. Ayan, so once again, palakpakan naman natin ang ating newlyweds. Yan, so bago tayo magpatuloy, I just have a few questions para sa inyong dalawa. At para